Because I just summer grow, and my favorite thing in bring for me is avocado. Avocado, me love the avocado. Avocado, me love the avocado. Avocado, me love the avocado. Avocado, me love the. And when the pear not in a season, still him know when me want to steam up with the shell them on the open fire. And everything me need, you know my king deliver. To hype my affection with the sweet college draw. Sweet college draw, me love
Avocado, is that fruit?
I'm Googling it. Go on, read the link there, Nev.
So here's the thing with avocados. You don't want to cut into one that's not ready to be eaten, nor do you want to cut into an overripe avocado. So if you're tired of the disappointments, this morning we have 3 tips that might be the solution to your pear problems.
You might be inclined to call it a vegetable.
Is a fruit?
But it's technically a fruit.
Is what?
And even more specifically, a single-seeded berry.
That mean what? Fruit or vegetable?
Right, it's a fruit, technically.
What do you mean by
But
technically? It's
it
either a
does
fruit
have
or it's not a fruit.
vegetable-ish properties because of its green hue and its savory taste. But it's really a berry.
Folks, look
There's
down
a
there.
veggie that's a fruit, that's a berry.
Ew.
This one looks like, yeah, I wouldn't eat that. It's too mush up.
This one is softy. That one is...
So
So how you know if it's ripe?
That's what I was just going to ask you.
So everybody, how you would know it ripe? Because you know...
When you knock it, you can feel if it feels really hard.
Not shape. Let's say. The first way is what?
Remove the stem.
This do have none. It remove already.
If the stem doesn't come off, then it's not ready. I cannot remember ever seeing an avocado with a stem.
A stem?
No, every time I see it, yeah, but I don't pick it off the tree or I buy it on the road or at the market or the supermarket, and usually the stem is not in it. If the color underneath the stem is brown, the avocado is overripe. Okay.
Unique, I know you're saying something, but I have no idea what you're
The
saying.
color underneath, put it about that now. The color underneath the stem, underneath is a bright yellow-green color. It's ready to be eaten. Underneath the stem? No stem no in this.
Yes, it's not bright yellow, no stem. This one do already.
Let me feel
This
it.
one feel tough.
No, this is not ready for sure.
That one do already.
Yeah, which is the next. Go by look and feel. An avocado with a darker skin is usually riper than one with a lighter skin.
This is where the stem thing was supposed to be. Right?
It are
So
not
what you
there.
said the color was supposed to be? When you pull it out, you know, just tell me
The
something.
color underneath the stem is brown,
You know brown that?
but that avocado is not ripe.
This don't ripe.
By
This
any
look like a
stretch.
knockout Marvin.
Try it now.
Knockout Marvin?
Yeah.
No man, feel all this stuff. This tough stuff.
It's not ripe. I know it's not ripe.
So if you want ripe it, what you do?
Wait, no, an avocado with a darker skin is usually riper than one with a lighter skin. If the avocado yields to firm, gentle pressure, it's ripe and ready to eat. Yields to firm, gentle pressure. This only need a couple more days though, you know.
How you know?
Telling you, you can feel it
I
almost
said,
ready.
how you know is avocado
Because it's
farmer?
hard, but it's not like completely. See, you can get some give out of it.
Okay.
So to ripen it,
Yeah. Where you do?
try the paper bag or newspaper method. Wrap it up.
Put them in a bag.
You can wrap it up in a paper and put it in the oven. You know, you didn't know that?
It's a put in a bag with ripe banana, but we don't have no banana.
Right. So let's use the example without it.
Wait, no, it said
Put them in a bag.
tomato with ripe
Bake
banana.
it in the oven. I don't know about baking it. I usually just wrap it up and put it in the oven for a couple of days and then it ripe. But this says wrap it in tin foil, set it on a baking sheet, and cook in the oven for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
So why you so
To
in a
make it-
hurry? Forget it ripe. You just buy a ripe one.
That's true too.
What? You ever right? Why
But-
buy a green one and put that over? You just buy a ripe one and done the
Because
argument.
sometimes you want to eat one today and tomorrow, but you want one
All
that
right,
will
so if I
last
wrap
you.
it in the newspaper now, the way you do it after that.
I just told you. You
No.
weren't listening.
I wasn't actually.
Throw it in the oven.
In the oven, there newspaper, then I go burn down the place.
No, you don't light it in the oven. You can put it in there and leave it for a couple of days.
So put it in the oven when the oven don't turn on?
Yes, that's what I just said.
And the oven don't turn on, then you
Maybe
could have
that's
put
how
it in a bag or something, then it no matter.
Don't you do that with mango too? And sour sap or sweet sap? Yes, you do. It works. It works. I'm telling you it works.
Summer.
I just told you.
Summer?
Yes.
Why we don't just buy a new ripe one?
And then if you buy a ripe one and it finished today,
Yeah.
right?
You go buy another
and
one.
another near ripe one for tomorrow. What you eat Wednesday?
Go buy
Another
another-
one here when it's ripe? You have to plan ahead.
Alright,
It's
so
called
this-
succession planning.
So this is the oven. Put it in there. How long you leave it in there for, please?
A couple of days, depending on how green it is.
Couple of days?
Depending on how green it is, it could take 2 days, it could take 3 days, depending on how green it is.
You know, my house at Ashbury Avenue, they have a pear tree. And we used to get plenty of pear. But we never liked pear then. Is when we get.
When was that?
When me a little boy, like, you know what I mean? Before we reach our
BC.
teenager. Yeah. BC.
Are you say so?
There you go. I suggest you just buy a ripe one and done there.
And I also suggest that whenever I tell the people nothing this morning, that was helpful.
But I tell you something though. If you, as like us, Sim just Google it. If you Google it, it is a wonder food. It is really good for you.
And it's delicious.
Yeah, I love it.
Like I will just take out the seed, like you have it cut there now, sprinkle some salt on it, and just eat it out of the skin.
Well, I've never done that,
Like
but
cream.
I love it.
Yes,
I love it. So.
really is very delicious. I understand Wendy is a bit of a pear head too. Is she in the country?
A pear head?
Yeah.
She's not here. but
Oh, she
pear
did.
head? Pear head just sound like she knows so bright. By the way, I have some breaking news for you.
What is it? Oh, shut up your mouth now, man. Just sip your coffee. We're going to break. That's what we wanted to
I have
say.
breaking news for you.
There is no breaking news.
I am going to tell you before the show done.
There is no
You
breaking
know me
news.
always have news when nobody else don't know, but me.
Except that the whole world knows except you.
Humble I